Expect the unexpected, they said. However, if you expect the unexpected, does it become the expected? Mind blown. Some of you may not know this, but an earthquake occurs when rock underground breaks along a fault. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake. Well, enough of the facts. Question is, what are you going to do when you're in this situation? Well, watch this.